if you're experiencing login issues with the State Employees Credit Union, follow these steps to quickly resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from accessing the login page. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can help eliminate any stored data that might be causing login issues. Step 4. Try a different browser or device. If the problem persists, try logging in using a different web browser or device. This can help determine if the issue is specific to your current setup. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to the State Employees Credit Union customer support for assistance. They can help troubleshoot the issue and guide you through the login process. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues quickly. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.